Very good morning. Today we're going to discuss specialized connective tissue. Specialized connective tissue is categorized into bone, blood, and cartilage. Yesterday we have studied about bone, compact bone, and spongy bone. Today we're going to discuss about cartilage and blood. So, what is cartilage? Cartilage is a flexible connective tissue. It has flexibility. This flexible connective tissue found in multiple areas of the body, including joints, the ear, nose, and intervertebral discs. All those areas where flexibility is much needed. Flexibility as well as support is much needed. So in that certain areas, cartilage is present, which is flexible in nature. It is it's very, very important. It is avascular and aneural. It is avascular and aneural. So just because it is avascular and aneural, it is very difficult to repair this connective tissue for this cartilage. Okay, this cartilage connective tissue is very difficult to repair just because it is avascular and aneural, because the raw material in order to repair the tissue is very, very less or negligible. So there is an important term, that is chondrogenesis. CHONDRO, chondrogenesis. What is chondrogenesis? It is the process by which cartilage is formed. Okay, cartilage is formed from mesenchymal cells, from condensed mesenchymal cells, and the process by which it is formed known as chondrogenesis. One more term, chondrocytes. जैसे साइट्स की बात आती है, CYTES means we are talking about cells. So chondrocytes are specialized cells of this cartilage tissue. Okay. Then these chondrocytes, or you can say the specialized cartilage cells, are responsible for producing large quantities of collagenous extracellular matrix. For example, this is a cell. इस सेल के बाहर, so out of this cell there is a dense collagenous matrix, okay, made up of collagen protein, which makes it more stiff, more sportive. Okay, so these chondrocytes are actually responsible for producing large quantities of collagenous extracellular matrix. Extra means cell के बाहर. And this matrix is rich in proteoglycans and elastin fibers. So just because of having this elastin fibers in addition to collagen fiber, it has elasticity or property of elasticity. Types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrous cartilage. Hyaline cartilage provides stiffness and flexibility and support, and it reduces the friction between bony surfaces. जो हड्डियों का जो surface होता है उसमें उस friction को वो reduce करता है in order to you can say very easy, or you can say frictionless articulation. So where it is present, this hyaline cartilage, at the tips of the ribs, bones of sternum, okay, bones of sternum, tips of the ribs, जो हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डी है उसके हर बोन के जो टिप के ऊपर ये प्रेजेंट होती है, in order to avoid friction, okay, between the two ribs. Covering of bone surface at synovial joint, घुटनों का joint, supporting larynx and trachea, etc. Next, elastic cartilage. जैसे इसका नाम भी है, elastic means it has the property of elasticity. और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं कि इन तीनों टाइप्स में जो ये टाइप है इसमें इलास्टिन और इलास्टिसिटी ज़्यादा रहती है. Okay, elastic cartilage, it provides support and it regains its original state or shape after uh, contraction or relaxation process. Okay, it is present in auricle of external ear, epiglottis, auditory tube in the ear, and cuneiform cartilage of larynx, voice box. Okay, and then fibrous cartilage, it resists compression and prevents bone to bone contact. हड्डियां आपस में ना फ्रिक्शन करें, आपस में उनमें कोई भी कांटेक्ट ना हो, तो बीच में एक सरफेस बनाते हैं, फाइब्रस सरफेस रहता है ये फाइब्रस इस कार्टिलेज का, जिससे कि डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में दो बोन्स आपस में ना आए, क्योंकि अगर वो आएंगी फ्रिक्शन होगी तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, डेग्रेडेशन वगैरह, वहाँ पे वो सरफेस जो है वो खत्म होना शुरू हो जाएगा, बहुत पेनफुल रहता है वो चीज़. सो दिस फाइब्रस कार्टिलेज मेक्स अ कवर ऑन इट over the bones or end of the bones where they join together. So present in pads within the knee joint, घुटने के joint में, in between pubic bones of pelvis जो कमर की जो हड्डियां होती हैं उनकी बात हो रही है, between the pubic bones of pelvis and intervertebral discs, जो डिस्क होगी इंटरवर्टिब्रल डिस्क, उनके बिटवीन भी आपको चीज मिलेगी. ओके, कि जो इजी मूवमेंट होती है डिस्क की हमारी वर्टिब्रल कॉलम की, वो इंश्योर हो सके, तो वो तभी इंश्योर होगी तब ये चीज़ें उनमें प्रेजेंट रहेगी इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोवाइड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी व वेरियस बॉडी मूवमेंट्स. नाउ ब्लड, व्हाट इज ब्लड? एक्चुअली इन चीज़ों के बारे में हम लोग बोन कार्टिलेज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर लोकोमोशन एंड मूवमेंट, ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी, वहाँ पे हम लोग डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में. देन ब्लड के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बॉडी फ्लूइड्स एंड सर्कुलेशन वगैरह में, वहाँ पढ़ेंगे इनके बारे में. सो blood is a body fluid and it is considered to be a connective tissue just because of having one reason, because blood has its own matrix. Okay, blood has its own matrix, so just because of that reason it is considered to be connective tissue. Okay, connective tissue because it has a matrix. Like there are specialized cells like erythrocytes, leukocytes, RBCs, WBCs are living cell types. Then again, the fluid portion of whole blood and its matrix means fluid portion plus matrix. They are collectively there is a term. There is a collective term for matrix as well as the fluid portion is plasma. Okay, so plasma is fluid portion plus a matrix part of blood. The function, as you know, it's a transportation of various substances throughout the body, like nutrients, gases, substances. Okay, so the main function is blood to transport various substances throughout the body. So tomorrow we will discuss about nervous tissue, neuron, structure of neuron. Thank you.